Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how we can summarize a knowledge article effectively using prompt template. So in the last video of Salesforce out of the box series, I have talked about like how to create a knowledge article in Salesforce and how we can just create data categories so that we can assign a particular category for a knowledge article. So this is like category. So laptop repair is the category, and keyboard and touchpad is the subcategory or like child categories. So these particular categories can be assigned to a knowledge record that I discussed in the last session. So today I'll be discussing like based on the summary, we can see this summary like for laptop repair, and it's on like FAQs and different question answers are there, like how do I raise a laptop repair request, then some informations is there, and something like that. These are the question answers are there. So based on this summary field, so this is a standard field in the knowledge object, and based on the summary we can just provide a AI summary, so using a prompt template. So field generation prompt template I'll be using, and I have already created this field like AI summary. And if I just show you from the object manager, and we can see that this is the AI summary long text area field that I created already. So in this field we can just summarize our knowledge article contents into a very precisely format, so that it will be more understandable by quickly reading that AI summary instead of reading whole the article, right? So from the let me just click on this setup, and from the quick find we can just search for prompt builder, and I can just click on this new prompt template button to create a new prompt template, and I'll be selecting the prompt template type as field generation, since we just want to provide the AI summary into a particular field, that is the AI summary long text area field in the knowledge object. That is why I am just selecting this field generation prompt template, and I can provide like knowledge AI summary as the prompt template name. And in the object we can just select our knowledge object, and what is the field knowledge in the knowledge object, that is the AI summary field, right? So after selecting all this, I can just click on next. And in here I can just provide a simple prompt like based on the given knowledge record snapshot. I'll be providing inserting the snapshot here, like on clicking on @ by just adding that @ we can just reference the insert resources, or we can just click on this insert resources to find our respective resource. Like in my case I'll be just click on this knowledge object, and I can select this record snapshot, or we can just select this summary field as well to get that knowledge article contents into this standard field. So let me just choose the record snapshot. So based on the given knowledge uh, record snapshot, knowledge record, based on the given knowledge record, use this record snapshot to summarize the content of the knowledge precisely within 300 characters. Okay, after providing this prompt, we can just select our model. Like in my case, I'll be just choosing this Google Gemini 2.5 Pro, and on clicking on save and preview, we can see that this pop-up template saved successfully, and in here we can just need to provide the respective knowledge record. So in my case, this knowledge repair knowledge, this one I think, and on clicking on this preview. So we can see that our summary got generated like knowledge article. So this is the article number. So internal FAQ title knowledge repair knowledge article. It is published online for internal use and it's not visible to customers partner. So not this record, I think. I think this is the record. It's taking some another archived record. Let me just check with another knowledge record. And we can see that it's now providing the proper response. I selected another record last time, somewhere like that one is archived. So however, so this is the generated response like to request a laptop repair, access the IT support app in Salesforce, create a new service request for laptop repair. You must provide the asset tag, a description of the issue, and the level of urgency. An email confirmation will be sent. Repairs are typically completed in 3 to 5 days. So, uh, so now we can see that based on the record snapshot, we can just uh, get the knowledge article summary. So now I can just activate this field generation prompt template, and in the record level, in the knowledge article record level, I just need to edit the page. And we just need to select this field AI summary. So in which field we want to just get the summary, and in on clicking on this we prompt template under the Einstein generative AI, we can see that our prompt template is showing knowledge AI summary. So this is our prompt template which is activated. This needs to be activated in order to see that template in here. So after that we can just click on save, and let me just go back to the details page of the knowledge record, and we can just let me just refresh this page. Okay, since this is a published knowledge article, that's why not able to uh, edit the page. Okay, let me just check with other knowledge record. And in here we can see that it's getting updated, like so this is so knowledge. So we can see that we can update a draft knowledge article record only. So the last one was published knowledge record. That's why I'm not able to edit that knowledge record, and we can just find from the related list like archived articles. We can find published articles. So published article we can't like edit that those articles, and just we just want to just from the draft articles we can just edit and we can find like generate a summary. If I just remove this one and on clicking on this Einstein generative AI icon, we can just get the AI summary for this knowledge article as well. So this is the generated article, and we can just generated response, and we can just on clicking on this use button, we can just directly insert this into our record, and I can just click on save. So this is how we can just simply use like field generation prompt template to find the AI generated summary for a knowledge article. So I'll be uploading more tutorials on Salesforce, Omni Studio and Data Cloud topics. So please stay tuned. And if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.